Welcome to Showroom, a website where you can learn about the products and services that work with Epic. Let's dive in, starting with Supply Shop, where you can go when you need a little help from your friends. You'll find services like Extra Help for short-term assistance, Boost for staff augmentation, and Level Up for hands-on support getting key features live and operationalized. You can also explore the Emeritus program, which can help you fill interim leadership roles by connecting you with retired healthcare execs. Next, check out HealthGrid to see how you can collaborate across the healthcare ecosystem. You can work with health plans to help reduce administrative burden, specialty diagnostic labs to accelerate precision medicine, and national telehealth networks to increase access to virtual care. To see how you can connect with other vendors, head to the Products page. In Connection Hub, you'll find hundreds of third-party applications that are already live with Epic customers. Toolbox highlights certain areas with recommended practices for integration and the apps that follow those practices. Head to Workshop for a sneak peek of brand new technology Epic and third-party developers are creating together, like innovations with ambient listening and patient satisfaction. And if you're an app developer, open.epic provides access to the largest collection of industry-standard APIs and the tools to test and launch your app. It's free for any developer with a simple click-through agreement, so getting started is easy. We've just skimmed the surface of what you can find on Showroom. Check it out to learn more.